with food that comforts the heart and soul. Ngayong Pasko, basta party, you're the one, Goldilocks.
Maraming salamat, Dr. Vicky Bello, Celeste Tuviera ng Symmetra, and Susan Aquino, and siyempre Gold's Gym Flawless at Metatayon. At happy anniversary kay Jerry and Maluti Bayan. Wedding anniversary, okay?
Happy birthday to Mila Lucero, to Mommy Angelina Sevilla, and to Herb Piquel and Los Dia Guerrero from Nestor Guerrero of Sacramento, California. And hi sa mga taga-Las Navas Summer. Merry Christmas.
Okay, Startup would like to thank the following: Charms and Crystals by Joy Lim, Samsung Electronics Philippines, everyone's invited, Bizarre Modern Design, Furniture, ACR Furniture, and Calcium C.
And Shopping Haven for last-minute bargain hunters. Don't miss the last run of Noel Bazaar and Christmas Expo at the World Trade Center Saturday and Sunday, extended from 10 a.m. to 12 midnight.
Okay, this coming Sunday after Starstruck 5, live, pwede nyong makasama at makita ng personal ang inyong paboritong Starstruck Final 14 survivors. Punta na sa Starstruck Bazaar, Dream, Bili, Survive. Sa linggo na yan, sa GMA Co-op parking lot, right in front of GMA Network Center sa Timog. Alisa?
Happy birthday, Cap Romeo.
Captain
Romeo Celis sa Bacoor, Cavite. And hi to Miguel Belmonte. Hello, Miguel. And Joy Belmonte.
Amazing stories. Bukas pa yun.
Opo, thank you, Dr. Vicky Bello, Bello Sanchez, Flawless, Metatayon, Nurse Placenta, Carimadon, Bucalasius, San Trailor, Sutray po yung makeup, Dr. Hyla Dizon Santos po yung dental care, Linear Hair Extension, Cherry Joy Salon, Tentay Product, and hi, Ray ng Ray ng Bukidnon.
Closing na lang, nag-humirit ka pa. At narito na ang huling hirit, si Lolit.
Lolit ko.
Dr. Vicky Bello, Rufico Yuto ng Flawless, Joey Santos ng Ubaji, at Color Science Makeup, Boy Abunda ng Pure Gold. Maraming salamat. Kay Delphin Lee, Pele de la Cruz, Jenny Napoles, Pinky Tubiano, Enrico Roque ng Bodega ng Bayan, Miguel Belmonte, Joy, Vice Mayor ng Quezon City, Anto, Erning Lim ng Ultra Mega Supermarket, Emil and Aileen Go ng Sisters Napkin and Twins Baby Diaper, Bizarre Bong Laso ng Ritaso, Wendy ng Salon ng Bambi Pentes, Timog, FNN, asan na ba ako? Metatayon, Happy Toothpaste, George Cruz Aficionado, Pauline Luna ng Renew Placenta, Rene Garcia, Santres ng Jupiter Center.
Malate pa ng dating, kaliwat kanan pa rin ang happening sa top. Dito lang sa Rampa. First Rampage, Sunday, December 13, final leg of the Powerade Philippine Duathlon Open at Quirino Grandstand. Second dyan, ang Samsung Animated City Corbyville at SM Mall of Asia. Thirdly, sa Intercon Manila Hotel Makati ang venue natin for Western Union Takbong Pangarap. Di rin tayo papahuli sa press launch ng Panday MTV with Senator Bong Revilla, Eli Buendia, and Pupil, hosted by Team Yap sa Angkor Bar at the Forte Gig. Next naman sa GMA Network Studio ang destination natin for the press con ng My Favorite Recipe with China Juanco as the new host. At kagabi sa Maxis Scout Watts on QC, ginanap ang GMA 7 Entertainment TV Christmas Party. Bago na ang Rampa!